In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in posts on WordPress. Whether you're managing a blog or running a website, customizing the way your posts are displayed in the WordPress dashboard can save you time and help you stay organized. By tailoring the columns you see, you can focus on the information that matters most to your workflow, like post dates, authors, or categories. It's a simple process, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a dashboard layout that works perfectly for you. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login link at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that link to proceed to the sign-in page. On the sign-in screen, you'll see several login options. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This method is often the simplest because it allows you to log in using your Google credentials, saving you the need to remember yet another username and password. Click on Continue with Google, and you'll be prompted to choose from a list of Google accounts. Select the account that's associated with your WordPress site. This step confirms your identity and grants you access to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, locate the Posts tab. You'll find it on the left-hand side of the screen in the main menu. Click on Posts, and this will take you to a page that displays all your blog entries. This is the central hub for managing your posts, so it's important to customize this view to suit your needs. Now that you're on the Posts page, look for a button labeled Screen Options. You'll find it in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu allows you to customize the display settings for your post listings. Take a moment to review the available checkboxes in the Screen Options menu. Each checkbox corresponds to a specific column or detail that can be displayed on the Posts page. For example, you can choose to display the post date, author, categories, tags, or even custom fields. Think about the type of information you frequently need, whether it's the categories to organize your content or the author field if you're managing a team, and select the checkboxes that make sense for your workflow. Now, keep in mind that selecting too many columns can clutter your view, making it harder to focus on what's important. So only choose the options that are truly necessary for your day-to-day tasks. Once you've made your selections, click the Apply button. This action refreshes the Posts page and updates the layout based on the columns you've chosen. At this point, take a moment to verify that the Posts page reflects your new settings. You should see the columns you selected displayed clearly in the layout. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always go back to the Screen Options menu and adjust your selections. Customizing this view ensures that your dashboard is organized and tailored to your specific needs, making it easier to find and manage your content efficiently. And that's it! You've successfully customized the columns in your WordPress post page. By following these steps, you've created a dashboard layout that prioritizes the information you care about most. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.